What are timeline studies? Timeline studies are studies done uh, on a particular subject. These studies indicate the changes over a period of time. So, if a slum community is established 50 years back, and if we want to study water and sanitation conditions, then we have to contact, or the research team has to contact somebody who has lived in the community for many years, and then ask them the questions about when they started living in the community and what were the drinking water facilities from there, from where they used to fetch the water for drinking and for other purposes, which water they used to use, and when the situation changed. Means maybe initially they must have borrowed water from nearby chawls, or in village a few years back they must have used river water. Then after that, maybe after 20 years or in 1970s or in 1980s, they must have got some bore well facility or something like that, and in urban area they must have got public water connection. Then in 2010, they may be having individual water connections in urban slums. So these are the changes according to time, and we have to record it. Now the timeline studies sheet looks something like this. This is a timeline study of water and sanitation. Then you have to ask them that what they remember, and according to that you have to put the year. I have put 1947, 1967, 1997 and 2013, but the year which you want to write will differ from about what you want to study, because if you want to study the status of women, then you may put 1960, 1980, 2000 and then 2013. And then you may, in status of women, you may say that age of marriage, then in 1960 the age of marriage could be 18 or 16, then in 1980 the age of marriage is raised to 18, then 1995 or 2000 it becomes 20, and now it becomes 21. This is one example. So you have to really think and prepare the timeline study sheet, and it also depends on the responses from the people, that the dates which you want to put.